Hi everyone, I'm JD Hoovener, your host of the Bold Today Show, where you get your daily inspiration so you can go make the world a better place. We're doing a frequently asked questions spree here. We've been doing this now for a number of weeks, and I hope a lot of you have picked up on some of these answers to the questions that you might have been thinking about all along, but might have been too afraid to ask. So today we're talking about a very near and dear subject of mine, which is, what is a patentability search? Right? What does that mean? What are you searching? What does it mean to be patentable? And so this is the heart of one of our core service offerings for every one of our inventor clients that we work with. Before we file the patent application, it is so important that we actually do the research to make sure that what the inventor has is indeed novel, non-obvious, and has utility. Meaning, we put ourselves in the shoes of the examiner to make sure that before we go through all the effort and money and time to put into a patent application, that what we're working on is truly something that we all believe in. So a patentability search does just that. It begins with the patent attorney looking at all the publications that are in that industry, all of the patent documents that cover the US and every other country in the world that we can find, to be able to look and make sure that the invention that is being brought before us by the client is actually the first of its kind. And if there's something else out there like it, we need to know, because the claims that we're going to be able to write in the application may be limited, right? We may think the invention is this much, right? This much is brand new, but we find a few references, and we find other citations and publications that others have done in the past. And so now the invention looks more like this, right? And the scope of rights is a little bit smaller. And so it's a very important conversation that we have with each of our clients to discuss, hey, we can do this. We can help you achieve a patent for this. Is this something you want to be able to go ahead with, right? Is that an investment worth going after? And so it's a business decision that we sit down and work with our clients on one-on-one to make a really custom, well-informed decision before moving forward. So it's really one of my favorite offerings that we have, and it's something I recommend for almost every single one of our clients before we get started in the patent process. So if you have any more information or questions about patentability searches, what's entailed in the report, we'd be happy to do that, and a lot of it's on our website. We've put a lot of effort into providing examples of what an example patent search opinion looks like, and a lot more information about each category of invention and what the search report will actually entail. So if you go to boldpatents.com, you can see that right there, and from that page, if this is your first time talking with one of our attorneys, you can get it scheduled, have a 30-minute consultation with one of our patent attorneys at no charge. And you can give us a call as well, don't forget, at 800-849-1913. I'm your host, JD Hoovener of the Bold Today Show. Go big, go bold.
Go big, go bold.